Do you know that in 2025, over 17% of airport arrests were caused by what people had in their carry-on bags? Not weapons, not fake documents, but everyday items most travelers thought were totally harmless. Shocking, right? People are getting fined, detained, and even arrested just because of what they packed. And the scariest part? Most had no clue they were breaking the rules. In this video, I'll show you 11 surprisingly common items that can get you into serious trouble at the airport. Some of these are things you probably carry all the time without thinking twice. So before your next flight, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stick around because the last few items on this list are the most dangerous, the most surprising, and the ones airport security really doesn't joke about. If you travel, even once a year, this could save you from huge fines or a ruined trip. Let's get into it. Number 11, rechargeable lighters. You might think a rechargeable lighter is a safe, modern alternative to a classic flame, but airport security in 2025 sees it very differently. These are known as arc or plasma lighters and can spark intense heat with the press of a button. Because they don't use fuel, they often get packed in carry-ons without a second thought. But here's the problem. They're powered by high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, which can overheat, malfunction, or even explode under pressure. This has led to a rise in fire-related flight incidents globally, which is why the TSA and international aviation bodies are cracking down hard. If your lighter doesn't have a removable battery or it isn't completely disabled during flight, it can be seized on the spot. Some travelers have even missed flights due to questioning and security delays caused by these devices. Worse, some brands falsely label their lighters as TSA approved when they clearly aren't. If you want to avoid fines or having your lighter tossed out, the safest bet is to leave it at home. Or better yet, buy a travel-approved lighter at your destination. It's one of those things you don't expect to cause problems, but it absolutely can. Don't let something as basic as your post-workout routine cause a travel disaster. Number 10, protein powder. Packing your favorite protein shake for a trip seems harmless, but in 2025, it might raise more red flags than you'd expect. That innocent-looking powder could get you pulled aside for questioning or even delayed long enough to miss your flight. The reason? Protein powder looks a lot like certain illegal substances on an X-ray or scanner. If you're carrying more than 12 ounces, TSA and many international agencies require you to remove it from your bag and declare it for additional screening. Worse, some countries treat any unidentified powder as a potential narcotic. There have been cases in places like Australia and the UAE where travelers were held for hours or had their luggage confiscated until lab tests confirmed it was just protein. To avoid this, keep your powder in its original sealed container with clear labeling. Don't try to save space by transferring it to a zip bag or unmarked container. That only makes it look sketchy. If you're carrying a larger quantity, consider packing it in your checked bag or buying it after you arrive. It's one of those things you don't expect to cause problems, but it absolutely can. Don't let something as basic as your post-workout routine cause a travel disaster. Number 9, smart luggage with non-removable batteries. Smart luggage is convenient, stylish, and great for charging your devices on the go. But in 2025, it's also one of the most commonly confiscated carry-on items at airports. Why? Because of the built-in lithium-ion batteries that power their GPS tracking, USB ports, and other features. If the battery in your smart bag isn't removable, it's seen as a fire risk. Lithium batteries can overheat or short-circuit, especially in pressurized environments. Several flights have reported smoke alarms going off mid-air due to poorly designed luggage batteries. As a result, many airlines now have a strict no-tolerance policy. If your suitcase doesn't have a quick-release battery that can be detached at security, you might be forced to leave your bag behind. Some travelers have even had to dump expensive luggage just to board their flight. And don't assume all smart bags are created equal. Some well-known brands still manufacture models that fail to meet updated aviation standards. Always check before you fly. Look for bags clearly labeled as having a removable battery and practice detaching it before heading to the airport. It's a small step that could save you time, money, and a whole lot of travel stress. All right, those were surprising, right? But the next ones are even worse and way more common. You might be packing one right now without realizing it could land you in serious trouble. Stick around because we're about to hit the most shocking items on this list. Number 8, over-the-counter medications without labels. You might not think twice about tossing a few painkillers or allergy meds into your carry-on bag, but if they're not in properly labeled containers, you could end up in trouble. Airport security in several countries, especially in Asia and the Middle East, have cracked down on this in 2025. Why? Because pills without labels look suspicious. To a security officer, an unmarked tablet could be anything from an innocent aspirin to something far more serious. In fact, there have been cases where travelers were detained for hours or even denied entry just because they brought medications in plastic bags or loose in their pockets. The safest way to travel with over-the-counter medication is in the original packaging with clear labeling. If you're carrying a lot, bring a doctor's note or a printed prescription, even for things you can buy without one. Authorities are now trained to spot certain pills, and if yours don't match their database, you're going to be answering some very uncomfortable questions. Even something as basic as melatonin or vitamin supplements can raise red flags if carried incorrectly. So don't risk it. Think ahead. Keep labels and avoid those generic plastic pill boxes for international travel. What seems like a harmless headache pill to you might look like smuggling to someone else. This is one of those tiny details that can have big consequences. Better safe than sorry, right?
Number 7. Vapes or e-cigarettes in the wrong compartment. Yes, you can fly with a vape in most countries, but in 2025, where you pack it matters more than ever. Carrying your vape device or e-cigarette in checked luggage, that could land you a hefty fine or even get your bags pulled off the plane. With the rise of battery-related fires on aircraft, aviation authorities worldwide are hyper-alert about lithium-ion batteries. These devices must always go in your carry-on, never your checked bag. But here's the twist. Some airlines now require you to remove the battery if it's detachable. Others want your e-liquids to be in bottles under 100 milliliters stored in your clear liquid bag. And don't even think about using or charging it on board. That's a guaranteed ticket to trouble. Some travelers have faced full-blown arrest just for trying to sneak a puff in the airplane bathroom. It sets off smoke alarms instantly. If you're flying to or from places like the UAE, Singapore, or Thailand, where vape laws are stricter, you could even face criminal charges for possession. So before you pack that vape, double-check the airline and country rules. If in doubt, leave it out. You don't want your vacation or business trip to start with a police report and a fine. It's a small item, but the consequences? Huge. Number 6. Fake branded products. Planning to bring some knockoff designer bags, watches, or perfumes from your trip abroad? You might want to think twice. In 2025, many countries have ramped up enforcement against counterfeit goods, and they're not just targeting sellers anymore. That's right. Buyers are now getting caught, fined, and, in some cases, arrested at customs. Why? Because fake luxury goods often fund criminal networks, and governments are taking that seriously. If customs officials find what they suspect is a counterfeit Louis Vuitton or a fake Rolex in your carry-on, they're not just going to confiscate it. You could be fined up to thousands of dollars depending on the country. In France and Italy, even owning a fake is considered a crime. And U.S. Customs has increased the use of AI scanners to detect common counterfeits by design patterns. That $40 Gucci belt might not seem like a big deal, but to a customs agent, it's a red flag. They may pull you aside, inspect everything you're carrying, and even check your receipts. And don't forget, pleading ignorance won't always help. I didn't know it was fake isn't a legal defense in many places anymore. So if you really want that luxury look, invest in the real thing, or at least don't pack the fake in your carry-on. It's not worth the drama. Quick reminder, we're getting close to the most shocking carry-on mistake that can actually land you in handcuffs, so stay with me. If this video is helping you dodge travel disasters, give it a like and make sure you subscribed so you never miss a future tip. Number 5. Unregistered drones. Drones are fun, but flying with one can be tricky. And in 2025, even owning the wrong kind of drone in the wrong country can cause major problems. If you're packing a drone in your carry-on, be ready for questions. First, many countries now require that drones be registered with their aviation authorities, even for tourists. If you show up with an unregistered drone, some airports will detain it, confiscate it, or worse, fine you. But that's not all. Some drones come with batteries too powerful to fly with. If the watt-hour rating is above the airline's limit, you may be forced to leave it behind. In places like Morocco, Egypt, or India, even attempting to bring in a drone without a special permit could get you arrested. Several travelers in 2025 have had their drones taken and found themselves banned from entering the country again. There's also the issue of intent. If you're entering a conflict zone or an area near military bases, border security might think you're planning to spy or map sensitive areas. That can get really serious really fast. So always check local laws before packing your drone. Get it registered, carry proof, and make sure your batteries meet flight regulations. Otherwise, your drone dream might turn into a travel nightmare. Number 4. Items with hidden cameras or audio devices. Spy gadgets might look cool, but carrying one through airport security, that's a huge no-no in 2025. From pin cameras to button microphones, anything that records secretly is now under heavy scrutiny. And it doesn't matter if it's just a novelty gift or a TikTok prank tool. If you're caught with hidden recording gear, especially in countries like the UAE, Saudi Arabia, or China, you could face serious charges. Some travelers think it's harmless to bring those trendy glasses with built-in cameras, but these devices raise privacy and security concerns. In fact, several airports have started using scanning tech to detect such electronics automatically, even if they're off. Once flagged, you'll likely face questioning, confiscation, and possibly even legal action. In the US or EU, these might just be seized, but in strict nations, it can lead to arrest or deportation. And don't forget, even baby monitors or Bluetooth speakers with hidden recording features can trigger these alerts. So before you pack that cool tech, ask yourself, does it record, spy, or surveil secretly? If yes, leave it at home. You can find yourself in trouble even if you never turned it on. Better to enjoy your trip than get caught up in a spy scandal you never saw coming.
Number 3. Legal CBD products in the wrong country. CBD might be totally legal where you live, but that doesn't mean it's safe to bring on a flight. In 2025, more people are being arrested for carrying CBD oil, gummies, or creams than ever before. Here's why. International laws about CBD vary wildly. In the US, it's legal federally if it has less than 0.3% THC, but in countries like Japan, Indonesia, or the UAE, any trace of THC, even microscopic, can land you in jail. There's no such thing as just CBD there. And even if you don't know your product contains THC, it's still your responsibility. A CBD lip balm might be perfectly innocent back home, but once it crosses borders, it becomes a legal gamble. X-ray scanners and chemical swabs are being upgraded at airports to detect cannabinoids, and customs officials aren't playing around. In 2025, a tourist in Singapore was fined $6,000 for a CBD hand lotion. One wrong product, one wrong country, and you could be facing serious charges. So unless you've triple-checked the rules, leave those wellness products behind. It's just not worth it. Enjoy the massage after you land. Number 2. Items with lithium batteries that exceed limits. Your power bank might be a lifesaver on long flights, but in 2025, airlines are strictly enforcing battery size limits. Most people don't realize that lithium-ion batteries over 100 watt-hours must be declared, and anything over 160 watt-hours is banned on commercial flights, period. If your carry-on has a high-capacity power bank or a portable generator, you could face a fine or even miss your flight. This also applies to professional camera batteries, scooter packs, or oversized charging stations. Some travelers try to be sneaky, hiding them deep in their bags or checking them in, but this is a major fire risk. Security scanners are now programmed to spot large batteries, and some airports are trialing smart luggage checks that automatically detect battery power ratings. If they find a prohibited one, your bag gets pulled, and you might get pulled too. And here's the kicker. Some countries are also banning power banks that don't show their wattage on the label. No label, no flight. So before you travel, check your gadgets, look at the power ratings, and make sure they're airline approved. Don't risk a flight delay or worse because of something as small as a charger. And number 1, weapons you didn't know were weapons. Here's the big one. You might not even realize it, but that innocent item in your bag, it might be classified as a weapon under 2025 airport laws. Think tactical pens, multi-tools with blades, even certain keychains designed for self-defense. In some countries, a metal comb with a hidden knife is a weapon. In others, a self-defense ring with sharp tips could get you arrested. Airport authorities are trained to spot these disguised tools, and ignorance isn't a valid excuse. There's a real case where a woman traveling with a kitty-shaped keychain with finger holes for self-defense got detained for carrying a concealed weapon. Even things like metal chopsticks or wire garage disguised as belts have landed travelers in hot water. And here's where it gets scarier. Laws aren't always consistent. What's legal to carry in Texas might be banned in Tokyo. So before you pack anything that's designed to protect you, double check if it's considered a weapon somewhere else. Don't end your trip in a cold airport holding cell because of something you thought was just cool gear. Stay smart, stay safe, and always read the fine print before packing. Thanks for watching. Now you know what not to pack in 2025. Hit that subscribe button for more smart travel tips and click one of these videos to keep your journey going. I'll see you in a moment.